demonstrates good balance, a very straight bat, and therefore strikes the ball very cleanly the majority of the time.
Straight back at me, really. Like that one there should have come through here, shouldn't it? Yeah? Okay, so you balance a little bit, right? So can we get our head, Jonty, coming at the ball a little bit more? Eyes are nice and level now, right? But weight's just going that way a fraction. There you go, alright? That's a good shot. Really good shot.
Jonty needs to try not to move his head up and down as he taps his bat. He should try to keep his head still as he taps his bat, perhaps by widening his stance as he has grown a lot over the summer. Jonty should continue trying to get lower as he makes contact with the ball by bending his front leg and getting down into the shot. Jonty needs to remember that whatever line the ball comes in on, it should go back out on that line. In particular leg side, he should try to hit the ball straighter back between the bowler and mid-on.